Welcome to part 86 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning vocabulary for online shopping. Billions of people shop online, and it's all in English. Let's go through the entire shopping journey. First, browsing and searching. You look for items using a search bar or filters. You can filter by price, size, color, and rating. Sort by lowest price, 5-star ratings only. In stock. This means it's available now. Out of stock. You can't buy it right now. Adding to your cart, add to cart, or add to basket. Save for later. You want it, but not yet. Wish list. Items you want to remember. At checkout, proceed to checkout. Enter a promo code or discount code. Apply voucher. Shipping options. Standard delivery 3 to 5 business days, express delivery next day, free shipping on orders over £30, estimated delivery date 5 April. After purchase, your order has been confirmed. Tracking number XYZ123. Your package has been dispatched, out for delivery. Your package is on its way today. Returns. 30-day return policy, request a return, print return label, refund issued within 5 business days. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.